I bought this product because I had mold in my ducts that was fogged out, leaving a distinct smell that still bothers me after several weeks. I also have pets, so there is sometimes pet odor in the house. Right away I could tell a difference in my bedroom. The air isn't feeling as thick and the smell is gone. I'm so glad I bought this air purifier. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. Our household has 2 dogs and lots of dog hair. After 1 week of use I noticed less hair and fresh odor-free air. This beautifully designed unit is quiet even on high setting. I love all the features, especially sleep mode. The unit automatically responds to the air quality. This air purifier covers our large living room and kitchen. It has helped our allergies and our dog's allergies as well. Happy camper. Loving this so far. It arrived quickly and in great condition. It is extremely quiet even on the high mode. You can't even hear right and low. I have a bird and 5 dogs, and so far I am seeing a reduction in things floating in the air and settling on the furniture. I recently polyurethane countertops in my house and it did pick up on the decreased air quality. I mentioned them on Instagram and the company sent me new sets of filters for free. I highly recommend this product. I took a picture of it with my grubby sandal in front of it for size sake. It's fairly quiet, it's smart, and I'm so glad I bought it. I applied fingernail polish, which is pretty stinky, and it kicked up to high to clean the air. The lights show you the speed and indoor air quality. It seems to be working for my stinky house. I have a fairly small house and I live with a cat and a small dog. I have a carpet, which I never will have ever again. Because carpets suck up every bad smell the second you install them. I have asthma, so I needed to do something before another winter so I can breathe better. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. It seems to be working. I bought an extra filter which I won't need for a long time because one can place the filters into the sun to refresh them. I am very happy with this purchase. I would recommend this air filter to anyone. If you have a larger house, you would need 2 or a larger model. This one came with a true air plug-in wall fan which I put in my kitchen and I love it too. The price is reasonable for this. Let me start by saying I've already tried to replace this filter unit and return it to Amazon before I realized how incredibly silent and powerful it is. I live in California and I am currently in the middle of 3 major wildfires north of San Francisco. The air quality is terrible and wearing a mask is welcomed. I bought this filter to help inside my home with my family, and initially I didn't feel like it was working. A friend blew smoke into it and the smoke smell could be traced coming out of the back dash. I wasn't sure what to expect. Today I was boxing it up about to return it when I opened it and looked at the filters. I've only had this unit a month and I was completely shocked. I will be canceling the return and instead I will keep the unit. The amount of debris and particulate caught in the first filter alone was enough to make me a believer. Only had this for probably 5 days. At first I thought the air sensor doesn't seem to work. It seemed to work from bad to good air within 5 minutes without variation when I moved it, so I did an experiment. I opened our second floor sliding doors and wow, I guess the air outside is pretty bad because it took a long time, probably almost 20 minutes when I kept the door open. It was 7 to 8 feet away from it. I live in Southern California and I have a backyard with plenty of greens on it. I still have to add more though. Anyway, even after I closed the doors, it worked pretty much a long time than before I opened it. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. About 12 minutes before it turned from red to green, which meant good air. I was beginning to smell kinda something awful from it, so I decided to take the filters out and put it under the sun, 10 minutes on each side. When I put it back, red to green was less than 5 minutes. So I'm thinking the sunlight killed cyan bacteria, I hope. I'm thinking of getting a new filter even if it was only less than a week, because I don't want to raise our electricity if it works too hard. Second, I was sick and definitely this one seemed to help. I have asthma and was coughing for a while and I don't want my bacteria or any bacteria staying there in the filters. Placing it under the sun seems good, but I'd still change it probably after 2 weeks, we'll see. The food odor don't seem to go away that much, but if it's food I won't worry. It's more the bacteria that I'm worried about. I enjoy this product because it creates a healthy space for my partner, cat and I to sleep. I have noticed less pet odor and fresher air to breathe. We love it. Quiet and works great. Although I have have struggled with allergies and asthma my entire life. I have never been without pets or dust and other allergens in my world. I decided to forego the big Christmas gift this year, and opted to invest in an air purifier. Although I have had a short time, I believe I have made the right decision. I say this because 1. Simplicity, plug it in. It does the rest too. Quiet, my Bernese Mountain Dog makes more noise snoring. 3. Customer service above and beyond my expectations. My first HATHASPACE had an out-of-box failure. Hunter answered my weekend email and phone call in hours, and sent the replacement. I received, plugged it in, and off to clean air we go. I want to add, that for my trouble, Hunter added spare filters, and had me keep the ones from the unusable unit. Hunter's thoughtfulness is one reason I will continue to be a HATHASPACE customer. So here you go, easy to read display, even for us older folks, remote control, for us tired older folks, easy change HEPA filters, for us technology inept older folks. And amazing customer service, for everyone who shops on or offline. I certainly hope that my review is helpful to you as you make your decision. Albeit the unit is still cleaning, my air quality is improving. Breathe well. This filter does a really great job at taking impurities out of the air. Specifically, it is exceptionally good at eliminating smoke from a room. My only dislike is the price of replacing the filters, but you get what you pay for. I give this product an A+. I had trouble with my lungs and throat. I truly see a major improvement in the room. I really am happy I got it. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. Recent tests revealed that I have 31 of the 48 common allergies. After removing all the carpeting in the house, etc., we decided to try air filtering. Researching product after product revealed too many flaws or inadequacies. Finally I happened on the HATHASPACE HSP001 unit. The product description, reviews, and price prompted a purchase. The new HSP001 resides in the master bedroom. The unit appears solidly built, is very easy to set up and operate, is whisper quiet, and does the job. After only 3 sleep-filled nights I just purchased the brand new HSP002 for the rest of our single-story home. We are regular customers of Amazon, but for this product I recommend dealing directly with HATHASPACE. All aspects of the transaction were simple and satisfactory. They even have an automatic filter replacement program. I sent an email question to customer service Friday evening and received a positive response by Saturday afternoon. I intend to post an update after both units have run for a time. Edit added below after 6 months of use and dirty filter pictures. Need something sensitive enough to filter smelly gases? Then this is your purifier. The 4 children in my house love passing gas near this to watch it kick up to red. It's become the thing to do here. I roll, lol, but at least we know it works, right? In all seriousness, it's quiet, well made, and beautiful. And I can actually breathe better in the mornings. No more waking to a runny nose. Yay. Highly recommend. Edit, I just cleaned the filter after 6 months of solid use, and boy was it caked with dust, glitter, thanks daughter, and hair. I certainly need to clean the filters more often. To clean, I gently pushed the filter off outside, then took the vacuum hose to it softly with the brush attachment. Filters sat in the sun for a few hours to disinfect and recharge. Image description, I gently cleaned one side to show how much dust this thing collects. Yes, that is a feather. We are excited about cleaner air in our home. I have 2 cats and a golden retriever. Love how this adjusts to the air quality and cleans the air. It's very quick. I would recommend this product to anyone looking for a HEPA filter. Today I received my air cleaner unit. Everything seems to be working just fine. I will give updates periodically. The purifier arrived in good condition. Its operation for me is silent. I sleep in an office with 2 rooms and the room is in the other. At maximum speed I do not feel it, and I have realized that I already have to clean and deposit where I know constantly depositing dust. I have no allergy problems, but I can recommend it. Considering I live in a loft, there has been a lot of dust and I literally get sick, allergies, all the time. But for almost 2 weeks of having this, I never felt better. My primary doctor recommended me to get an air purifier because my nose gets very stuffy and I also cough and gag a lot. I haven't done that since I purchased this. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.